Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share about how to drain and to change the radiator coolant on the Honda Steed. It is very basic and very simple actually, but it's a problem for the one who just owned the Honda Steed. It happens to me before. That's why I make this video to share to each and every one of you, and I hope you like this video. Let's check it out. As we all know, the Honda Steed has the liquid cooling system, and the main component of this cooling system is radiator, which is located in front of the engine. It's attached in the front frame, and then on top of it there is a water inlet, and this is where the water is getting. And then on the water inlet there is a little hole connect to this small rubber hose, and then this is where the spill out water get out and get into this reservoir. To maximize the cooling system, Honda Steed has extra fan. This fan will be automatically switch on when the heat reach the certain temperature. That's to avoid overheating. But on my Honda Steed, I changed into the manual switch because I got the problem with the automatic switch. Well, back to business. This is how to drain and to change the radiator coolant. Before I know the right way, I drain the water coolant from this rubber hose. I take off this rubber hose, but actually that's not the right way. The right way is take out this 10 millimeters bolt. But before you do that, prepare the container for the water comes out from the water pump, and then you open that bolt gently till water comes out. Oop, it's quite strong, and let the water drain till all of the water comes out from the engine. And after all the water drained, put back the bolt on, and then make sure it's tightened. And then prepare the water coolant. You can use the regular water, or you can use this kind of liquid water. Make sure all the hole in the radiator and the engine is filled up with this liquid, and you can turn the machine on for 1 minute and then turn it up, and then you fill up again with this liquid, and then after that you close the water inlet, and that's it. Thank you very much.